Honda Passport assembly begins now. Watch the shell materialize on the workshop table. Front grille area glows orange. Blueprint overlay reveals internal structure briefly. Upper body fades away. Front and rear subframes lock into place underneath. IVTM4 rear differential descends and mounts. 4 half-shaft stubs click in. Front double-wishbone suspension appears. Control arms, knuckles, and coilovers bolt together. Rear suspension replicates the front. Trailing arms and lateral links install now. 20-inch alloy wheels appear. Lug nuts thread in a spiral pattern. 3.5-liter V6 engine fills the bay. Wiring harnesses snake into place. Upper body shell lowers perfectly. Door gaps align with precise 2mm seams. Dual exhaust manifolds glow orange. Each bank shows equal length runners. Engine explodes into 6 pistons. Crankshaft and rods rotate around center. Cutaway reveals oil galleries and coolant jackets. Oil droplet travels through bearings. Crankshaft rotates. Combustion flame appears in cylinder 1 briefly. Bore and stroke expand visually. Compression ratio lights up at 11:5:1. 9-speed automatic transmission appears. Clutch packs and planetary gears rotate slowly. Cutaway shows torque multiplication. Clutch pack 3 engages, sending power rearward. IVTM4 differential clutches shown. Torque vectoring sends power to outside wheel. Front and rear half shafts materialize. CV joints articulate 30 degrees while spinning. 4 ventilated rotors appear. Dual piston calipers clamp brake pads tightly. Caliper explodes into pistons and seals. Hydraulic pressure pushes pistons outward. 19.5-gallon fuel tank appears. Injectors spray fine mist into ports. Exhaust manifolds merge into Y-pipe. Oxygen sensors monitor pre- and post-catalyst. Aluminum radiator and electric fans appear. Coolant circulates through engine block. 12-volt battery and alternator installed. Fuse box routes power to all systems. IVTM4 controller sits above rear diff. CAN bus sends torque requests instantly. Rear wheel slips on virtual dyno. Torque shifts to slower outside wheel. Traction control pulses brake calipers. Engine throttle reduces simultaneously. Drive modes float above console. Sand mode steepens throttle mapping aggressively. Body rolls left during turn. Right front coilover compresses. Anti-roll bar twists. Steering wheel turns 2.5 times. Rack moves full travel, lock to lock. 2-inch tow hitch appears. Virtual trailer adds 5,000 pounds tongue weight. Airbags inflate through transparent body. Crumple zones collapse in controlled sequence. Forward collision radar emits orange cone. Automatic braking engages, nose dips. 1 front wheel lifts off-road. Power sends to 3 grounded wheels. Water rises to 30 inches. Engine air intake stays safely above waterline. Hill descent control holds 5 miles per hour. ABS pulses each brake independently. Disassembly begins. Upper body shell lifts off. Oil pan unbolts and floats upward. V6 engine splits apart again. Pistons slide out. Cylinder heads lift off. Transmission case splits. Clutch packs and planetary gears slide out separately. Chassis stripped to bare frame. All removed parts vanish in a wave. Winter wheels appear briefly. Roof basket shows accessory mounting capability. Passport reassembles in reverse time-lapse. Whole vehicle rotates slowly once more. Honda logo fades in. Passport outlined in orange. Assembly complete.